So I know it doesn't look it, but this snow is actually, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches. I don't know. We just blew the driveway and it's already filling back in again. Now listen, my dogs don't bark. It's the little, whatever it is, across the street. Oh my God. Yorkie, I think it's a Yorkie. Hi, Lily. Oh, Lily. Oh yeah. She says, if I want to bark, I can, but I don't want to. My dogs are the quietest dogs. Well, Chris did blow the driveway, so I'll be able to get out shortly. But you want to see a nice main highway? Oh man. I have 2 cases of water and about 6 giant bottles of water because I do not want my dogs or the 2 cats without water. All you can hear is the little Yorkie. Yorkies are so funny. I love the sound of crunching snow. Those 2 big trees right there. The guy that lived and built that house, who lives in that house and built that house, planted those trees 80 years ago. There's 3 of them. He planted them 80 years ago because that house used to be a schoolhouse. Fun facts. Fun facts. And what else? Oh, I know, Lily. She was in the field one day and someone called my neighbor and said, I think Helen has a big black bear coming up through the field. And when we went to the deck, oh, Miss Lily, Bella Vista's Italian Lily, was coming up through the field. Oh, all right. My fingers are starting to go numb. I've got to clean off the truck. This is wet and icy. We will talk to you soon.